Are you a teacher struggling to create engaging lesson plans? What if you could save time and still deliver high-quality lessons? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a lesson plan using Khan Academy for free. First, visit Khan Academy and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up as a teacher. It's quick and free. Next, open the teacher's dashboard and select Lesson Plan under Khanmigo Tools. From there, you can create structured and detailed lesson plans that are tailored to your curriculum and your students' needs. Then, describe the topic you are planning to teach. I chose the topic, how to illustrate different types of angles, right, acute, and obtuse, using models. Then copy and paste it into the topic box. You can also provide a complete standard description or set of learning objectives aligned with your topic. You can also add any additional details about the topic in the notes section. Then select your preferred lesson plan format. In this example, I chose the 5-part format, which includes objectives, introduction, instruction, practice, and assessment. Then click Start. And that's it, your lesson plan is now ready. Complete with clear learning objectives, engaging learning activities, guided practice, and independent practice for your students. You'll also find an exit ticket to check understanding, a list of required materials, and a differentiated instruction guide to support different learner needs in your classroom. You can now export and save your lesson plan in different formats, making it easy to use anytime in your lessons. And that's it, you've just created a complete lesson plan using Khan Academy. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with fellow teachers.